Let me tell you about Jenna. She was a smart professional in her early 30s, made $90K a year, no kids, rented a nice apartment. But every month she'd ask, where did my money go? Here's the kicker. She had no system. She paid bills randomly, invested occasionally, and saved whatever was left. She didn't realize that inconsistency was draining her financial potential. Fast forward 2 years, Jenna had $0 in savings, mounting credit card debt, and was forced to borrow money just to pay rent. Not because of laziness, but because of hidden money errors she never learned to spot. Most people don't go broke overnight. They self-sabotage slowly, silently, and systematically. And by the time they realize it, their money system is already shattered. Number 1. Why most people build like it's sand, not stone. You wouldn't build a skyscraper on loose soil, right? Then why do so many people try to build wealth without a strong financial foundation? Let's be real. A high income is not the same as wealth. Yet people chase bigger paychecks without mastering the basics: budgeting, saving, risk protection, and investing discipline. This is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. No matter how much you earn, it never fills up. As Morgan Housel writes in The Psychology of Money, building wealth has little to do with your income and a lot to do with your behavior. And here's the problem. People skip the foundation because it's not flashy. They'd rather talk about crypto and stocks than boring things like emergency funds and financial automation. But this ignorance is expensive. Don't glamorize earnings, optimize your systems, build your financial life like a fortress, solid, structured, and storm-proof. Wealth isn't about how fast you run, it's about not tripping at the start. Number 2. Ignoring cash flow. The lifeline of your finances. Cash flow isn't just crucial. It's the heartbeat of your financial system. Imagine owning assets that don't generate steady income. It's like owning a yacht without fuel. Looks great docked, but it's going nowhere. Sears, once a retail titan, failed to adapt to e-commerce and saw its cash flow dwindle. Meanwhile, competitors thrived by diversifying revenue streams. Personal finances mirror this. Earning 6 figures means little if spent recklessly. Focus on assets that generate consistent income: dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital assets. Monitor cash flow meticulously to plug leaks and optimize spending. Positive cash flow ensures financial stability and growth, preventing you from living paycheck to paycheck. How often do you review your cash flow to spot unnecessary expenses? Number 3. More like emergency regret without it. Let's get straight to it. If you don't have an emergency fund, you're playing financial Jenga with your life. One unexpected twist, a job loss, a medical bill, or a car crash, and the entire tower comes crashing down. But here's the irony. People insure their phones, their flights, even their pizza deliveries, but not their future. As Dave Ramsey puts it, you must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Most folks skip the emergency fund because it feels unproductive, like money just sitting there. But guess what? That boring stash is the only thing standing between you and a financial meltdown. Your emergency fund is not an option. It's a financial airbag. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, parked in a liquid account. Start small, automate it, forget it, until life reminds you why you did it. Not having an emergency fund is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. You might look cool until life gives you one hard push. If you are gaining value from this video, hit like and subscribe the channel. It's free, takes a second, and helps us bring more life-changing content straight to you. Let's move to next money error. Chasing fast money, the temptation of quick gain. Fast money schemes promise instant wealth, but they often lead to financial ruin. The allure of easy riches clouds judgment, driving risky investments or scams. Scammers exploit the desire for quick returns. Sustainable wealth grows from consistent, informed investment, not shortcuts. Shift focus from quick gains to sustainable growth. Invest in proven strategies and seek advice from financial experts before committing. Patience and informed decisions build lasting wealth while protecting against losses. Before chasing fast money, ask yourself if it's a calculated risk or a costly mistake. Number 5. Taxes, the wealth leak no one talks about. Ria, a digital creator, made $120,000 last year, but didn't track expenses, ignored business deductions, and filed late. Result? A surprise tax bill of $18,000. She had to break her investments and take loans. Now meet Kevin, a corporate employee earning $60K. He maxed out his 401k, contributed to a Roth IRA, and used his HSA smartly. His taxable income dropped, savings grew, and he paid $4,000 less in taxes than his peers. Here's the truth most people ignore. You don't just lose money by spending foolishly. You lose it silently through taxes you never planned for. While everyone is busy chasing crypto trends or flexing side hustles, the smartest investors are optimizing their after-tax returns. It's how much money you keep. And taxes are where most people bleed without even realizing. Whether it's ignoring tax deductions, missing out on retirement benefits, or not planning for capital gains, these small mistakes stack up. What's worse, people treat taxes like a once-a-year panic instead of a year-round strategy. Use tax-advantaged accounts, track deductible expenses, and consult a tax pro. Don't DIY your way to disaster. Number 6. Not reinvesting wisely. The missed opportunity. You made some money, great. Maybe you even saved it, awesome. But here's the kicker. If you're not reinvesting it wisely, you're just parking potential instead of multiplying it. As Tony Robbins said in Money, master the game. If you don't reinvest, compound interest can't work its magic. People get so obsessed with earning more, they forget that reinvesting right is what actually creates generational wealth. And the worst part? Most never realize how much they're missing until they see someone else lap them financially. Every dollar you earn should have a job, either to grow, protect, or multiply your wealth. Reinvesting doesn't always mean stocks. It could be skills, side hustles, or even better tools. The rich don't just save, they circulate money smartly. Spending profits without reinvesting is like winning the first lap of a marathon and sitting down. You might look ahead for now, but you're getting past every second you wait. Number 7. Lifestyle creep. The silent killer of financial progress. Let's be brutally honest. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because you keep upgrading your life every time your income goes up. That's lifestyle creep. Subtle, sneaky, and absolutely devastating to your long-term wealth. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel wrote, "Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money." Most people don't even realize they've fallen into this trap until it's too late. They're earning more than ever, but saving less than before. Nisha, a mid-level manager, doubled her income in 3 years, but her expenses tripled. Branded clothes, gourmet meals, monthly spa days. She feels rich but is living paycheck to paycheck. Now look at Arjun, a software engineer. Every time he got a raise, he saved 50% of it and kept his lifestyle modest. While others were buying new cars, he was buying index funds. Don't match your lifestyle to your income. Match it to your goals. Set lifestyle limits and increase your savings rate, not just your salary. In conclusion, avoiding these money errors is key to fortifying your financial systems. By diversifying income, managing cash flow, maintaining an emergency fund, avoiding fast money temptations, optimizing tax strategies, and reinvesting wisely, you can build enduring wealth. Take action today to secure your financial future and turn financial goals into reality. I believe knowledge is the foundation of success. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.